Yo, what it do, YouTube? Man, you know who it is. Back at it again. What the hell? Oh, shit. I had a car behind me. And you know how like a motor get to tapping? I thought it was my shit for a second. Woo, got scared. But what it do, YouTube? It's your boy. You know what I'm saying? Ready to go up here and send 75 his grill. I meant to send it the other day. I talked to him, told him it was coming. So go to UPS, holler for people, send this off, and hey man, that's about it. Get it going. I got the my tires came in for my wife's car. They came in. Supposed to came in Friday, but they got here yesterday. They got here yesterday. I'm also waiting on my box Chevy pieces to come in, the headlight bezels. And once they come in, I think I'm gonna order a grill and gold plate it. And I'm just gonna sell the whole box Chevy package. The Broham package. Whole thing. Front, rear, light bezels. I'm gonna do the emblems, probably. All the emblems on the car, the Caprice thing on the hood, in the trunk. I think that's pretty much it for the basic gold package instead of a bundle. So be looking out for that there. I mean, of course, y'all gonna see it when I doing the gold anyhow on it. But yeah, I think that's it. I'm finna, after probably within the next week, I'm gonna go on and order the rims for this car here. I'm going to order rims for school, the new wheels, and I done broke it down to two different wheels that I'm trying to get. You know what I'm saying? It went from 7/8 to now down to 2. So one of those 2 I'm gonna get, and see how that's gonna go. With that, as y'all can see, your boy UPS store. I'm finna go in here real quick and mail this off, and get back with y'all in a minute. Matter of fact, I might try to take the camera. Last time they wouldn't let me bring it in here. It depends on who's here, really, but yeah. We finna see. Gotta get my phone and gotta get my address out real quick. What he wrote me at. Address, boom. Okay, cool. Put that the way. Close this door before the lady hit my car, and it's gonna be a problem. So, well, shit, I gotta leave the camera, guys, because I got this big ass heavy grill, but I can't tote everything at once. So, stay tuned. Peace.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, over there in Milton, over by the jailhouse.
Yeah.
Over there.
Always wait.
It take me about
I'm here.
30 minutes to get to work. When we used to be downtown.
I know you did.
Yeah.
I used to work for Southern Line till they moved.
Oh yeah.
All them years, that was the best job.
Oh man. Yeah, I've been here. Matter of fact, 19, but make 22 years. Yeah. So.
I was there forever. Then they decided to move to Ebro.
Yeah, they sure did. Yep, they sure did.
I wasn't going to Ebro. Well, my department went down to Lakewood, and I'm like, I ain't moving to Lakewood.
Yeah.
And they go, well, you can move to Jackson. I'm like, I ain't moving to Jackson. I love my family, and I built my own house here.
Yeah, for real
I built
though.
myself my own arms. I ain't leaving.
No, heck no. No. That ain't gonna happen.
What'd you do for merchandise?
No, I'm a delivery manager.
Okay.
Assistant delivery manager, yeah. I sit in the office all day, babysitting a bunch of grown kids.
No, baby kids.
Yeah, that's it. That's new,
Just on
baby.
the phone.
Yep, for real. You're right.
So these kids want to do.
That's
They
it.
don't want to work.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
And they're entitled to everything.
Yep, you sure right. You sure right.
About 4 more. 4 more years.
That's them, boy. They feel entitled to everything, you know, and just to make them like they did back in the days. I tell my guys all the time, I was like,
Yeah.
some stuff y'all going through now, I had it so hard when I was just coming up over there working. You know what I'm saying? But now y'all pretty much spoiled. But y'all crying about this, you would never make it.
Now, so it's better off.
Yeah.
I'm off every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
See,
Go
you can't.
fishing.
Exactly.
My mom.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
I worked for him forever. I thought that was gonna be my retirement job. I worked in, I took in drivers for a lot of years. And then I checked it for 10 years. Then I did the rest. The other 13 years, I worked in point of sale.
Okay.
It was a dream job.
Yeah.
All the vendors and all them reps and stuff.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't move them. They wanted me to.
Nah. Sometimes you can't. That ain't it.
My husband's here. He's born and raised here. He ain't moving.
Yeah, forget that.
We're moving up north somewhere in the mountains. Somewhere fun.
Yeah. You can really enjoy yourself.
I know. I thought about going to Georgia. Not now. I'm out of the liquor business.
Yeah, it's.
I'm sick of it.
Yes, the shipping was covered, but the,
I couldn't do it. They got that artificial.
you want to declare a value over $100? So UPS Ground, we get there Friday, March 7th,
yeah.
it's $25.76
Okay,
plus,
so 276 for each order after.
it's gonna ask you to confirm the shipping details.
Just put, I don't know, $400 like that.
Sorry?
Put 400.
400?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, UPS ground expected for Monday is gonna be 77 or 80, 06. That's without the packing, you know, that's gonna, it's 21.
How about?
For the shipping is 70, 77.06. And that's the cheapest and that's lower oxygen on the UPS ground. And also, how fast
So
you need it.
total
Doesn't matter
everything
what
to be
time.
45,
Okay, that's the
46.
best option. It's gonna be for Monday.
I'm gonna ask on there if you wanna round up if you
And check that information from the place, so everything's alright.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You the same. Yeah.
That's that, guys. Now it's time to go home. Oh man, don't hit my car, please. Send him this tracking number. I don't know why I'm trying to call this thing his. It's what you call it. Look on sun, it's bright. Send a picture of this tracking number. Yep. That's it. On to the house.
The next day.
What it do, gang? What it is, man. You already know who it is. Check it out. I got a quick one for you. Trying to see if my thing on track. Trying to get these here mounted up. Try to anyhow. Hopefully they can do it. We're gonna see. See if I have enough time to get it done. Yeah, guys, try to get these tires mounted up real quick. See if we can do it. If not, I'll have to wait till tomorrow. The next day, Friday, whatever. But just trying to see. You just threw him over the fence, buddy. Huh? Say what? Got these things loaded up. I was waiting on the sensors to come in for the wheels. Just put them in the truck. Finna see if we can get lucky. See if we can get lucky and get these things mounted up. We gonna see. Where my charge at? No, machine never charged up. Never. Juice I got on my phone. Phone about to die too. Boy, I can't win. I need both my chargers. Cool. You go with me? Okay. Alright. Huh?
That new girl has cage.
Oh. Use these today. Come on, I gotta go.
What is that?
I gotta go. God, believe it or not, you got them glasses. I love these motherfuckers up. You good right now with them. I'm gonna do a I would've been so mad if I would've dropped my doggone charger in that trash can. Would've been my luck. Truck so doggone nasty, man. It's crazy. Damn keys up. I love that cold start, bro. But look how dirty this truck is. Look at it. Look at this shit. Motherfucker's filthy, dog. Should be ashamed of my damn truck. But get up here, guys. See if I can get these things put on. Probably can't though. Kind of late, really. But we gonna see. Damn, I need to go some shit while I'm up. I need to get some air put in my damn tire. I'm gonna buy me a couple for this truck. Hot. Out of these 3 shops, somebody should be able to do it. I'm gonna see. Go to Tire Essential first. If they can't do it, go across the street. If they can't do it, going to the Mexicans. What up? Got a question for you. Could you mount the tires up for 22?
Won't be today.
Damn.
No, we're trying to fight this one right here. We just got 3 more to do. An hour.
Fuck. Trying to get that fucking show. Fuck. Okay. Damn. Okay. I appreciate it. You good?
Yes.
Well, guys, they couldn't do it. They couldn't do it. On to the next people. See if we get lucky. We're gonna get lucky somewhere. They couldn't do it. Everybody go somewhere else.
A few minutes later.
Mind the balance. I need to pull up somewhere. That's 4 little rims. 422s, that's all. Yeah. I got sensors.
You got the sensors?
Yeah.
Okay, they're activated already?
No, I have to go get it activated. You got the thing for it?
Sometimes it's not compatible with the fan.
I got
But you don't got the card here, right?
nah.
Yeah, we need to have the card here to see the
Okay, that's fine. I can still put them in, and I can just get them activated somewhere else.
Okay. You need a balance too?
Yeah.
Okay.
So mountain balance.
Mountain balance. So for this type of time, you're looking around 30 at least. That's put on in balance.
That's fine. Yeah.
You want to wait on here or?
Yeah, I'll wait. It don't matter.
You need help already?
My Mexican will never let me down, dog. I'm telling you. My Mexican gonna get me right. Give me something real quick. You get up that hammer. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's good. I'll first. Back it up. Okay. What's that one? Wow. I better turn around. Damn Mexicans always get me right. Motherfuckers up there at the other shop, they full of shit sometimes. But they work on that ragged ass truck up there, so they might be booked up.
What truck? That purple one?
That purple truck. That dude that live on the back road by there.
Oh, this is truck?
Yeah, that ragged ass shit.
Who owns this?
Mexicans.
You never do that on it?
Nuh-uh.
We'll tell her where this is.
Hey, no telling.
Somebody called you to see. I don't know who it is.
You be going out there on Thursday to the Triple T meets?
I used to go up there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
You know Brandon Hollis?
Yeah, Brandon, my
that's
dog,
boy
man.
Right there. Yeah, that's the angel. That's my work clean though.
I appreciate it, man.
Oh, yeah, them wheels. woo.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, Brandon, my dog, man. Been knowing Brandon a long time, man.
Oh yeah, he's pretty cool. He
Yeah.
used to have that CTSV
Yeah.
before he got the truck.
Yep.
Yeah. And wait, no, he sold it. Then he sold that truck and got a new one.
Yeah, I think he got a black 2500 now. I think he got a big motherfucker now. On me. Figured they'd get me right up here. But he'll work forever.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
This job I like to do though. Moving cars and stuff.
Changing tires and stuff. Nice little pastime.
Gonna make decent money up here.
Time you close? Like no telling. He doing them bitches quick. Exercise time. Shit, guys, my bad. I'm trying to. My bad, guys. Look, I'm trying to record with 3 different goddamn things. Y'all with me? Shit. I'm gonna give him put some air on one of these tires too, before I leave. Yeah.
Yeah.
Made it work. Who that? What you want with me? Mexicans always get me right. rims out. Go to the back seat. And throw that monster. Just put it up there, but I get him. I'll situate.
Let me see it. Let me see the. You want to put it back or not?
No, I'm good. There we go. Appreciate it. Tires are different. What? Don't tear it up. Hand me one. Hand me a piece of break it in half. Like that big piece. We'll put it in between here so I can lay the wheel on. Hold it, pull it. Huh?
They had to bring a trash can. I thought it was $100. What was that? What car was it?
What car was that? A black car. The partner in the car.
Too many people that almost hit my brother. They hit my brother the other day. Somebody.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
That's some bullshit.
Yeah.
Need to get some cones or something to put out that motherfucker. One of them jacks.
Yes. My brother was working right there.
Yeah.
So the car coming, boom, hit his hand on the back.
Damn, that's fucked up. Give me a piece of, hand me a piece.
I just need to pick Drew up wherever he is.
All right, what we looking to do for you, sir?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Waiting on him and his tires.
Ah, okay.
Where's Drew?
Another one?
Can I get some ass in think it is kind of flat. One of these motherfuckers going low. Put him. What is that? You put one all of me. I'll be right like 36, 37 and shit, man. All right, appreciate it.
Is it YouTube channel?
Yeah. You gonna be on there? Probably the night of the bar. Let me get my let's see a bucket. Hold it down. Huh? 120? That's it? Huh? It would have. One of them bitches real low. Was it that one? Both of them? One of them got a leak in it, man. I need to get it fixed. Y'all can fix these big motherfuckers? One of them got a leak, man. I need to get that motherfucker fixed. I'll bring it up here one day so y'all can fix it. I think it's just a valve stem leaking in it, though. Time y'all closed, man.
5:30.
Oh, okay.
The valve cord on this one is bad.
Which one?
The valve cord. I can do that shit right now. It's just a little valve cord.
Oh, which one?
Huh? Right here on this one, whenever I pull the air,
Yeah.
the little valve cord, it goes inside and it gets stuck.
Oh, shit.
So I just got it right now where I can get it back to.
Yeah. I wish it was the other one, man. It's another one that you need to be fixed. That bitch, that don't give me no problem. It's one of them that keep going low. And I think it's is it the front one? It's the front one, ain't it?
That one was the lowest.
That's the one that got the leak in it. There's a screw in that motherfucker right there. There's a screw right here. Fuck.
I got 40.
I mean, yeah, if you can fix that real quick, that's fine. You can. It's valve stem. Now the one in the front, is it? You think it's the same thing too?
I don't think so. That one, it didn't do that.
Okay. That's the one I need to get fixed. little black car there. That's it? I appreciate it, man. I'm gonna get it back when I find out which one it is. I'm gonna get it back up here so you can fix the other one. Okay. What's going on right here, what? Got something flapping right here, though. Look at that. Oh, that shit, yeah. Shit dirty. All right, buddy.
No problem, man. Sure.
One eternity later.
Mexican gonna do the right. I'm riding over there all damn time. I just went to the other place today because I just went to the spot the other day. I mean the other first spot today because I got wheel sensors and I need to program the Mexicans ain't got that. But I'll do a pull up on my homeboy. He got the scanner. Scanner, and I put him on the truck. Tired, huh? Somebody tires don't like it. My first time getting those dump tires. I usually get like Sunny tire. That's a 30 series tire. It just look bigger than the rest of them. All of them same size, but like Sunny's like denim. We're gonna see. They don't work out, I just buy some more tires. Sell them. do a car show, truck show like we be doing. See that big ass cooler. Put all your meat up in there on ice. Still have room for your beer, your liquor, your soda, your water. That's all you need. Do some charcoal and go to work. Save some money. All right, man. All right, love you. Love you. I hate when they leave these stickers on these things. I hate that shit. Whatever. All right, guys. Get back with you in a minute.